morning, kids. In today's session, we will start exercise 7.2. Our first question is find an equivalent fraction of the following by multiplication. Now, what is equivalent fraction? When two or more fractions are having same amount, rather they looks as a very different number, but its value will be the same. Then these are called equivalent fraction. How we can find it? Here they told us to follow the multiplication method. Sometimes we can find the equivalent fraction by division also, but here we will find by multiplication. Now how can I do? 5 by 7 multiply with any same number in numerator and same number in denominator. I can take any number. Rather I can take 2 here and 2 here, or 3 here and 3 here, 4 here and 4 here. Any number I can take to multiply, but keep in mind the same number you will take in numerator and the same number you will take in denominator. Suppose here I take 2, then down also I will take 2. That will be equal to 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. Now 10 by 14 looks different from 5 by 7, but still their value will be same. How it will be same? I will show in the rough work. This you not need to write in that question. I am just showing you how it is equal to that. Here I find 10 by 14. If I want to reduce it, 10 and 14 both can come on the table of 2. I will cut them. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Now you can see here its last value will be 5 over 7 and that will be the same. In this way you can find any equivalent number. Suppose in the question you show just any one, but I will show you here with any one more number also. Suppose I here take 4 and 4. Now what I get here? 5 4s are 20 and 7 4s are 28. Now here also 20 by 28 is also equivalent to 5 over 7. How? See here 20 over 28. If I want to reduce it, I will divide them with any same number. They both can be divisible with the 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28. Now you can see here by reducing them, again we will get 5 by 7, which is same to that one. So in this way we can find the equivalent fraction with the help of multiplication. Now we will do second part of that question. Find an equivalent fraction of the following by division. In the previous question, as I told you, we find here equivalent fraction by multiplication. Now we will find equivalent fraction by division. So here again you have to think about a number on which these both numbers are divisible. So which number will be? 20 and 28 will come on which table? These both come on the table of 4. So divide here with 4 and here also with 4. As in the previous question we multiply with the same number, here we will divide with the same number. When you divide 20 by 4, you will get here 5. And when you divide 28 with 4, you will get here 7. So 5 over 7 is the equivalent fraction of 20 by 28. Now we will do the third question. Build equivalent fractions of the following till the fifth place. Now they will give us a number and we will find equivalent fractions up to fifth place. So first place will be multiply by 1 by 1. Second place will be multiply by 2 by 2. Third place will be multiply by 3 by 3. Fourth place multiply with 4 by 4. Fifth place multiply with 5 and 5. So here we will get the answer. 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Here 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Now these all are the equivalent fraction. So here we will write the answer 3 by 4, comma 6 by 8, then 9 by 12, then 12 by 16, then 15 by 20. These are the equivalent fractions up to 5th place. In this way, we can find equivalent fraction to the any place. Now we will take question number 4. Write an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 with denominator 16. Now in this question, they ask us to find the equivalent fraction. But in that equivalent fraction, they told us denominator must be 16. Now how we will do? We will take the given fraction. And now you have to think how you can make 4 equals to 16. Because they give us denominator must be 16. We have to make 4 equals to 16. How we can make 4 equals to 16? By multiplying with 4. 4 4s are 16. Now here if denominator I multiply by 4, then in numerator also I have to write number 4. So 3 4s are 12. Now in 6th question, write an equivalent fraction of 48 by 76 with denominator 38. In the previous question, they told us to make the denominator 16. Here from 4 we make 16, means we have to increase the denominator. And whenever we have to increase anything, we will multiply. But here the figure is 48 by 76. Now from 76 we have to make 38, means we have to decrease it. And when they ask us to decrease anything, we will do division. This thing you have to keep in mind. Whenever you need to increase any fraction, you will multiply. And whenever you need to decrease any fraction, you will divide. So here, by which number we can divide 76? So we get 38. So that will be 2. When we divide 76 by 2, we will get 38. So here in numerator also we have to write 2. When we divide 48 with 2, here we will get 24. So 24 by 38 is our answer. So in this way, you can solve rest of the parts of these questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.